thì có lúc thì mình sure thì mình là hay gì được cầm nhà cái tay đi cho vào rồi là để cho quên mặt tay thì bạn
well, my objective was to try to decentralize knowledge and just kind of scatter as much as I could all along India. And I think if people are really passionate about this, there shouldn't be a barrier for them to acquire knowledge. So that was my main goal with this tour. So we started Kerala, then it's Chennai,
back to Bangalore, Delhi, then Bhubaneswar, Kolkata. Then we came here. Yeah. The 7th. After this we have Goa. I love it here.
It's a very different flavor from the rest of India.
After being in Bangalore and Delhi and Kolkata, they're very densely populated. It's very nice to be here. It's beautiful. I can see the stars.
Okay.
It's good food, good pork.
Yes.
Okay. During this 2-day seminars which we have been organized here, did you see any potential fighters among these boys who are coming to the seminar?
Absolutely. Yeah, I think there's. I don't know what they eat up here. It's like
pork.
Maybe it's the pork. But yeah, some very strong potential. A lot of raw talent. And yeah, that speaks to maybe their lifestyle, but also like their training regimen. So yeah, definitely. So what we want to do is build up amateurs in this country so that when they go into professional circuits, they're seasoned and they're ready for what that has to offer. I think the worst thing we can do is just kind of like throw someone into the deep end and be like, well,
you're responsible.
Yeah, I think it is. So we want to make sure that that people that are ready to move on to the professional circuit are legit, and they're truly professionals by that time. Well, yeah, you all eat a lot of pork, and you're very strong, and I would hope, I don't know, like the amount of potential that I see here is vast, and I would hope that no matter what you do, no matter what you decide to pursue, I think that if you were to pursue MMA as in a strong way, with a strong community, in a way that you might find, maybe not in other parts of India yet, but in other parts of the world, this place would make superstars, would make legends.
I think that if people open their doors to mixed martial arts, that they will understand that martial artists aren't bullies. They're friendly. The more you share, the more of a community you feel, and it makes everyone safer.
Ngelawan anjing, bener tuh.
Not a guy with a really good She's always moving.
Like Bruce Springsteen.
One hand on the shoulder, one hand on my so when I turn, as soon as I curl, right, strong structure, feels heavy squeeze. Now, I'm going to try to shut this down. Two. Right? Now, what I'm going to do is I drive this into the top of him. Butterfly. Okay? So we're 3 in a row. That make sense?
Not sit up. That's pretty good. Go back. More knees to your shoulders, not shoulders to your knees. Knees this way. Switch. Don't see how you went back flat on your back. If I get here, it's very important you stay on the side. So if you want, you can totally get from here, push, and fix it. Now get your, now you can get your hand on the ground. So now we're here. Now we're this. This is okay. Here is fine. It's hard to get.
So now, we have our snatch single. Now, off the snatch single, sometimes I can't keep it here, right? Sometimes he puts the leg on the outside. So now, we're going to execute slightly differently. Side double. So over here, what I'm going to do is now step with this leg, and I'm going to take this knee to the outside. Okay? And now, we're going to execute our inside double here. So I go 1 and 2. Okay, now, stick this to this pass. If I'm passing, I need to keep my hand on the leg. Okay, so, I need to keep my hand on the leg. Now, I'm going to keep my hand on the leg as he drops, so that he doesn't get put in guard. Does that make sense? This hand stays here. Where do I end? Side to side. Side to side. Very important. Okay?
Up inside.
This is one where they drop with a lot of force. Okay, so I don't want you dropping like this and someone on Johnny or something. I want you falling. I'd rather literally fall.
Hurt yourself.
Yeah, hurt yourself. Don't hurt your partners. Okay, so we're here. Right, off. So position, unbalancing, fading in. Now I'm going to move my leg. I'm the partner. I go to the outside. Okay? Usually my hands too. I get an overhook on this. Right? So just imagine I have an overhook here. Now, if I'm, obviously it's MMA, Johnny's showing me, I might be trying to punch here. That's okay. This is still a very, very common finish. Gentlemen.
Hey.
So we're here. Now, outside foot, steps, inside hand lifts. Very good. Inside hand lifts. Now we're chopping here, and we just keep walking. Okay, this hand is the important hand. If you don't keep that hand there, let's say he finishes that in the same way, right? He finishes that. I'm going to finish in my guard. Okay? Don't finish in guard. Finish past guard. Make sense? Cool. Go ahead. Grab a partner here. Go nice and slow. Finish inside here. Always past guard.
Head down. When you're here.
Okay? We do the same thing on the other side too, but it's a little harder because I have more space to cover. Okay? Does that make sense? Yes. Okay. So go ahead. I want you to get 10 of those. Okay, 5 jabs, 5 crosses. Carry head on the same side. Here. We get to deep under position. Okay, go ahead. Get a partner. So, excuse me, a jab. Carry that a little bit. Okay? Now, the reason I'm going towards the door is I'm reaching this punch. Stop it. But I don't want to go like this. Okay? I'm actually going to move my body so that the arm is in front. Don't go high. I don't want to go up here, right? No. Then he's gonna hit me. So I didn't go. All this space in front of you. This leg is bottom, right? This top is the bottom. Okay? Go ahead, let's try to get 4.
Học món được là bắt, học món được là bắt, học món đó là nhiều cái lạnh quá.
Take a long risk you have.
Học nó bắt.
Alright, so now we're going to tie this all together. Single leg. Now you have a few different single legs from here, right? So you have either this one, that's fine. Go here, out. Small steps. Now what do we do?